Hey man, all I can say, the wait is finally over. I know you guys watching this support the channel, but like, bro, when he gonna show these sneakers? And today is the day, man. Let's get into it. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video, man. You seen by the thumbnail and the title, you know what's going on. You know what we about to show you guys today. And me, myself, I am extremely excited. My first time ever having a pair of these in a collection. And all shouts out to Nike and Jordan Brand for finally bringing out this OG colorway, man. If you guys are new here to the channel right now, I need everybody to do, man. Everybody right now, leave a huge like, you feel me? First, leave that huge like, and if you're new here, man, sub up to the channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel, man. It goes a long way. Every supporter counts. You guys already know, man. You see that counter, you see that sub count, bro. We less than 15K away from that huge 100,000 milestone, man. I cannot wait to reach that with you guys. You already know we're gonna do a crazy giveaway. And speaking of giveaways, you guys are gonna see one over the sneakers we are unboxing today. All right, man, let's go ahead and get into them, bro. Nike was not playing, bro. I don't know what was going on, but out of nowhere, bro, we went from May 25th to May the 4th, and then that shot drop came instantly fast. I almost didn't even know about it, but shouts out to a couple different groups, couple different Discords. It helps your boy out, man. But let's go ahead and get into these things, man. All I gotta do is pull the box from Nike, and we can get straight to this heat, bro. Who else excited, man? I can't be the only one excited. If you guys are excited for the sneaker, make sure you guys leave a huge like, man. But let's go, bro. You see it, man? You guys see it, bro? Hold on, man. I can't get this smile off my face, y'all. I cannot get the smile off my face. You guys see it, bro. We have a pair of Air Jordan 4s. You guys see the box. See the cement on the bottom, the black top with the red jump, man. And go ahead and get a quick little 360 of that, man. And the official colorway reads Air Jordan 4 Retro Off-White. Never heard that one before. Off-White, military blue. And I got these things in the size 9. You guys see them, bro. So let's go ahead and get into them, bro. The wait is over. The time is here. First time having these in the collection. First time seeing these in hand in forever. I'm gonna let you guys see them first, bro. In 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. You guys let me know, bro. I'm gonna wait a couple seconds, let you guys see it, man. How y'all feeling about the Air Jordan 4 industrial military blue things, man? Oh my God, Nike, Jordan Brand, y'all killed these Air Jordan 4s right here, man. Oh my, bro, we gotta pull both of them out, bro. We gotta pull both of them out, and I'm kind of excited. You know why? Because I feel like over the last, I'd say 4 or 5 months, we ain't really got nothing that excited me to this caliber. You know, I already had the 2019 bread. You see the bread reimagined behind me. But I needed something that I never had. And these OG Air Jordan 4 military blues is that sneaker that I needed, bro. This filled the void. This is something that I needed, something I had to have. And bro, these is nasty. I'm glad they are finally here. And the quality don't look bad. You know, we had huge issues with last year's, I would say, sneaker of the year. Some people might agree, the Air Jordan 3 reimagined. But these right here, man, these right here, some pressure. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. Check them out. Matter of fact, I think the reimagined 3s dropped 2 years ago. I'm not too sure, but the leather quality, the paint, you know, nothing looks off. Like nothing looks, you know, to where it can be some, you know, huge factory flaws or anything like that. Of course, you do get your peaks on the toe box right there, but that comes with, you know, usually all the Air Jordans we've been getting lately with this little peaks on the front and on the heel sometimes. But you gotta see, bro, the Nike Air on the back of them things, man. Check them out. I can't believe we finally got them, bro. I'm like actually lost for words. I don't even know what to say in this video. I'm just so excited that we finally have these things in the collection for one, and I'm happy that they brought them back for everybody to try and secure. So if you guys have been sleeping under a rock, you don't know what's been going on lately, about a week ago or last week, we got a shock drop over these Air Jordan 4 military blues. Nobody expected it because the release date was originally, you know, May 25th. Before that, of course, it was April 27th. There was a bunch of different release dates surrounding these industrial military blues. But last week, They shop dropped them, and then next thing you know, they had the release date on the sneakers at being May the 4th. And now, then we're all the way back to May the 4th, me with cheese. You guys know that whole little comment we've been seeing a lot with these military blues, because that was the second release date. And then now all of a sudden, like I said, they are going to be scheduled to drop it again on May the 4th, bro. But I'm excited, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm at a loss for words. I don't even know what to say. I've been planning to do this video all day, and I got here and I'm actually lost all the words. I lost my train of thought and everything. That's how excited, and that's how much these things and took the words out of my mouth. I don't even know what to say, guys. I honestly do not, but I do want to give you guys some nice 360 looks at these, so you can peep them, check them out, and tell me how you feel about them down below in the comment section. Hey man, we about to throw these things on feet right now, bro. I can't wait. We about to throw these things straight on feet. Give me a sec. Hey man, this is a raw, uncut on feet real quick, man. I gotta throw them on, bro. I've been waiting on these for too long for me not to throw them on feet. But just real quick, a little tidbit, man. If you guys have not peeped it, bro, I did do how to lace tutorial on Air Jordan 4. So if you guys did pick up these Air Jordan 4 military blues or any Air Jordan 4s in the past, and you want to know how to lace them, bro, I got a whole tutorial for you guys. But man, forget all that. Let's go ahead and throw these things on feet, man. Hold on, bro. And this is a size 9, by the way. And man, hold on, bro. Yes, sir, man. We got the Air Jordan 4 military blues on feet, and these things is cold. Look at them, y'all. Yes, sir, man. Super excited. I don't got the other shoe on right now, but I wanted to give you guys this little quick on feet so you can peep it, man. These things just they just beautiful, bro. I'm literally at a loss for words, man. I don't even know what to say, man. They're finally here. These things finally here. And I know I've been telling you guys about me wearing a size 9.5 lately, but this size 9 does not feel bad at all, just being honest with y'all. So again, man, let me know in the comment section how y'all rocking out with them. Are these going to be the sneaker of the year? I don't know if it's going to be these military blues or these Air Jordan 4 Brand Reimagined. I don't know. It's close, y'all. It's way closer than I thought. These are a beautiful pair of Air Jordan 4s, but these transition into the industrial blues and military blues. Oh my God, man, I'm telling you, it's tough. We're gonna do a full video, you know, kind of breaking the two sneakers down, the quality, the colorway, the significance, and all that good stuff. But these, bro, they just pressure, bro. These things pressure. I'm glad that the resale is dropping, so it shouldn't be a hard problem with you getting these on release day on May the 4th. Just in case you did not hit on the shop drop. But man, two of the top hitters of the year so far, Brand Reimagined and the Air Jordan 4 military blues. So I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. If you did hit on the shop drop, or you will be grabbing these on May the 4th, the military blues, let me know down below in the comment section. But you guys already know we gotta rock that like button. We gotta get this thing up to 500 likes. I know we can do it. I know y'all been waiting to see these things from your boy DeVintage, man. So go crazy in the comments, go crazy with the likes. And again, if you are new here, sub up and hit the notification bell to miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel, man. I love y'all. Thanks so much for tuning in. All that being said, bro, hey, I'm gonna be sitting these things right here and checking them out all night, man. Catch you on the next one. Peace.